Even though today we are expecting euro to be shamed by USD because of the power that is going to flow into the USD, which is dollars in this current market. So we expect USD to give us a good return against euro. So we want to sell euro in order for us to buy USD. So why did you want to sell euro to buy USD? I'm going to give us the full analysis, and that is why you saw me enter this sell trade right here. That's why I entered this because I want price to give me a good trigger and give me a good return. All right, so let's see, or let's check what we analyze, the things we looked upon before we enter this trade. I used to tell us something that is very, very important. And on this channel, if you have been following us, you will know that the thing we target mostly is what is liquidity. Yeah, those are the things we target. Those are the things we put together to develop our own trading strategy, our own trading pattern, and our own trading psychology. All right, so the first thing that was discovered there was this liquidity level on daily time frame. So when this liquidity level took place, price did what? Price came and cleared this liquidity level. And I told us anytime price clears this liquidity levels like that, price will always trade back into the zone that produced the clearance of that liquidity. And that is why we saw this. So this price came back to this level, but it wasn't the level that produced the clearance. So it sold, well, fine, it sold, but it's not yet attained the desired zone. It did not attain the results we wanted. So we waited for price to come to this level, and yeah, we are there already. So it's either price around this zone, that this arrow you are seeing represent areas where price can give us a reversal, and that is why we enter this sell right here. So if price did not sell right here, price will give a what? It will give a spike to test this zone. But I'm telling you, between these arrows, price must, when I say must, I mean price must deliver. It must deliver, because it is just my rule. Once liquidity is taken out, price will always come back to give a retest and deliver. Yeah, and the delivery will not be a small delivery. And you see, as usual, I always tell us something, that it is nothing less than 100 pips. Nothing less than what? Nothing less than 100 pips. And across all pairs, USD is giving me a sign. There are some things I put together in my mentorship program that help me to know the pair that is going to gain strength and the pair that is going to lose strength, that is going to lose value. So I carry the one that is gaining strength against the one that is losing value, and I trade. And that is what always gives birth to my trading results. 100 pips minimum. Yeah, so those are the things I put together, and that is why I'm on this trade right now. And I expect price to give me the delivery. So if price doesn't sell from here, I expect price to give a spike, because there is a news event that is coming on very soon. Yeah, so I expect price to give me a good delivery. And we can see liquidity level that has already shown here, and we see another potential rejection zone based on trend line for those people that trade trend line. So probably when price touches this trend line, it will give a rejection, break it, give a retest, then it will come down a little. So that's what people trade when they use trend line. But we use trend line to mark our liquidity zones. You can see here that's liquidity levels, and we can also aspire, or we can also predict the future liquidity zone. Yeah, so price may come here, bounce back to give us 1, 2, 3 touches, then break it below, give a retest and drop. But that's, by the way, that's another strategy on its own. But we are not doing that. I've already done that. I've given us a trend line trading strategy on this channel before. If you have not used that, or if you don't know about the trading analysis of trend line, then you can go and check my previous video. So let's wait and see what the result of this trade will be, guys. Let's watch out, guys. We are going to come back by 2:30 to see what the result or what the outcome of this trade will be, guys. Hello guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader, your #1 trader, guys. Yeah, and I am always here doing it for you. First of all, let me show you something that is very important right now, which is the outcome of this trade and how many pips this trade was able to deliver for us. If we check from up to down, that is 212 pips. 212 pips. If you are able to catch this kind of pips in one trade, or any trade that you take, that means in a week you'll be catching thousands of pips. You'll be gathering thousands of pips. And the beautiful thing is that we do with buying and selling on this platform. As we saw this particular trade, we are still waiting for the setup, and once the setup is set, we take another buy, and one trade or one pair in a week or within short period of time is going to be delivering for us 500 pips. Yeah, within just short period of time. So imagine the amount of pips we gather in 1 month. Like in 1 month, if we decide to trade our pattern immediately they set, and that is the beautiful thing about this thing. So I told you this trade is going to give us a good delivery, and we just discovered that right now because this is just a perfect and a beautiful delivery right here. So if you want to trade like this, make sure you subscribe, follow this channel, and it's going to build you. It's going to build you, because once you check our trade analysis before we enter the trade and after we enter the trade, and you watch our videos and you stick to this channel, it will become part of you. Even if you don't enroll for our mentorship program, it will become part of you. And if you now want to spoil everything positively, if you want to be that guru, you want to be a very good trader, then you can enroll for our mentorship program. Then it's going to build you to become a good trader. But right now we can see what the delivery is. This is what we predicted, this is what we expected markets to do for us, and this is how we take our trades that make us to grow small trading accounts to become a big one. It's not only me that grows small trading accounts, my students also grow small trading accounts and big accounts, because once you are able to grow small accounts, you'll be able to grow big accounts. Yeah, this is the delivery for Euro USD as we predicted it, and it has happened, guys. It has happened. So this is what we do. Subscribe, like, and leave your comments. I've given the analysis of this trade before, and I don't want us to dwell more on this. So if there's going to be anything for us to take out of this trade, maybe anything more, I'm going to let us know. But you can just spot all these levels that I marked, like the price did the exact thing we expected it to do, and this is just 200 plus pips, and we are still holding. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Catch ya, guys. Love you.